Hello everyone, in this video I will be getting my natural hair straightened. So I already got my hair washed and all that, just didn't record it. But she already put the heat protector in, and the next clip will be the blow drying process. And I'm actually doing a reverting back to curly hair video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm home, I'm in my bathroom, and as y'all can see, I got my hair wrapped. And I'm not gonna take it out till tomorrow, which is my birthday, okay? I already took out all my bobby pins, and now I'm just unwrapping it. And to be honest, at first I was like, where do I even start when it comes to unwrapping my hair? Because I haven't had straight hair in 2 years. So it's been 2 years since I had a wrap in my hair. But as y'all can see, I got the hang of it. And I also got hang time. Now let me stop. But I'm just showing y'all the back of it. And don't worry, I'm going to get a trim. My mom is going to trim it in the next clip. So, yeah. In this clip, I'm just cutting the front of my hair myself. It wasn't a perfect cut, a perfect trim, but it was good enough for me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video.